Okay, so we're gonna look at the turtle heart here. We'll look at the back side first. So the heart is always, the directions are always in concordance with where the heart sits in the animal. So this is going to be the left and the right, so left and right cranial vena cava, the left and the right caudal vena cava, okay, which are going to feed into the sinus venosus, Okay, the sinus venosus is going to feed into the right atria. Okay, here's the right atrium right here. It's going to flow through this valve, which is called the tricuspid valve. And that tricuspid valve is going to now enter the ventricle, and the ventricle is not completely separated. However, it does have little compartments within it. This first compartment right here is going to be called the cavum pulmonale. Here you can see this is called the incomplete intraventricular septum. All right, the type of muscle here is called trabeculae carneae again. All right, so blood's going to go flow out of here now to go get oxygenated. It's going to flow through right here, number 13. This is the pulmonary trunk. As we follow it along, we can see the, again, let's position ourselves, the left and the right pulmonary arteries, artery leaving the body. And we can also see while we're back here, the pulmonary veins. You can say this would be the left and the right pulmonary veins, which are going to feed into our left atrium. There's a left atrium here. It's going to flow through this valve called the mitral valve. Okay. Now this part doesn't depict it super well, but in this little corner here, you're going to have one little division that's going to be called the cavum arteriosum. Blood's going to flow from the cavum arteriosum down here to this region called the cavum venosum. From here, it's going to pump out to oxygenate the body. So we can flow out through here. We have this number 11 is going to be the, again, look at the positioning, the left aorta, aortic arch, the left aorta or aortic arch. Then we're going to have here it could be either the right aortic arch or the right systemic trunk, Okay. Now we have the brachiocephalic trunk, which is going to be this here, this trunk right here. And we're going to have this division is going to give us the, again, position ourselves, left and right brachiocephalic artery, the left and right subclavian arteries, and the left and the right common carotid arteries. Finally, we're going to have at the bottom here the apex, which is just the tip of the